Today's video is gonna be my room tour slash home tour, or it's gonna be my room makeover because it's the first ever time I'm actually making my room. What's up? It's your girl Adity here. I'm in my room and for the first ever time I'm going to give you guys my room tour. A lot of you guys have been requesting for a long time. I never bothered to win because honestly I never had a room. I just basically sleep on a cot, get up and do my stuff, go to college, go to work, come back, and that's it. This is gonna be my first time ever making up a room. So the past 4 months I'm sleeping here. Usually I used to sleep downstairs in just a bed and that's it. If you had seen my wardrobe messy video, I'd shown you a place where it was messy and filled with cardboard boxes and all of that. That is exactly where I used to sleep, and now I have this beautiful and amazing place. Every morning when I get up I feel so damn grateful and so blessed to have such a place. Ever since I got into this YouTube and Instagram and all of this thing, I'm really drawn so much towards cute and having some colorful stuff and all of that. First ever time I got myself a room, I specifically set up, put in so much effort onto it. Every single thing that you see in my room is through my hard-earned money. My room is all about being really colorful, really cute and quirky, exactly my vibe. I love classy stuff, but I'm too young to go for anything classy as of now, so I'm going to look for the classy room and house later part of my life. For now, I really want my room to be really colorful and give me that good peppy vibe which I naturally am. So I went in for all colors. Really blessed to have this amazing house which is like a beautiful home for me. I feel really grateful for God and also my parents. My room tour, finally the ultimate room tour or home tour, because I'm not going to give my home tour because my mom and dad are living. So yeah, having said that, let's get started. Yeah. The minute I enter, this is a very beautiful, looks like a cloud, and it comes with a storage thingy. So usually I hang my caps over here. I have this place to keep my bags and all of that. These are not just the bags I have this third cupboard is just filled with bags, and I've made a couple of bag videos. You just have to check it. All my bags are there. So recently I just showed up all of this in my video. Everything is hung up nice and neat over here. So this is actually from Minnesota. This is one of my cutest little thing because it's a card holder and actually a dog pouch. The most favorite is it says choose happy, and it has got all my jewelry hung up here. The minute I get out of the room, I make sure that I take the things that I want and I hang it back. So yeah, this is one of the nice way of putting it out here. This bird hook I actually got it from Romway, and now these are not available in Romway. And this one again from Romway, mango shaped cushion, my recent addition from Minnesota. So this is basically a garbage holder. I just use it just for putting in my tags and my receipts and all of that. Pretty little shoe holder. I got this from kids section, some kind of a toy storage box or something. I'll do a separate video on that. So this is my mirror, and this is where I get dressed up all the time and I wear my outfits over here. So I really love the space a lot. It's one of my favorite thing, my tissue box. Every single frame is all about myself. I really love my frames a lot. Frames are actually from propshop24.com, and all of these frames are really expensive, but I got it at a discount of about 300 to 350 rupees. Weekly once I change my bedspread, but I love it. I love these happiness collections because they're really quirky and really cute. The bed sheets that I have are the best. I love it. Oh my god, you guys, they are really expensive. Each one of it cost about 1200 1300 rupees, and those are the most expensive stuff I got it. Storage drawer which I keep a lot of my things over here, and these are really best because I hang my earphones in this. My iPad is here. I made sure none of my iPads or none of my gadgets are hanging out. I got all of these from Romway again. I keep my phone over here and also my iPad over here, so when I'm sleeping none of these gadgets are on my bed. Subscribe my channel, you guys. Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos directly onto your phone for free. Very beautiful teddy shaped thing that I've stuck it on face. I got all of these from China. My curtain is really colorful and really sometimes kiddish also, but I really love my curtain. I don't want to be an adult anytime soon, so I love my curtain this way. Favorite flamingo. You guys know how much I love flamingo. Very beautiful holder. So I keep my socks and I keep my hairbands and all of those essentials inside it. So I was living alone in Bangalore, so I had to have my washing machine to wash out all my clothes. So when I came back, I put it out in my room because we already had one and I don't want to dump up anywhere downstairs. This flamingo is one of my favorite. It's like perfect. It's a beautiful decor. At the same time, it's really useful. All of the pieces that's there in my room are not just of cute stuff, but they're also really useful. So that is what I've actually aimed in for. It's a very, very beautiful and a very bright pop of yellow, but it's actually a tissue dispenser and I really love this side. Honestly, I didn't know what to do. There's always this thing called as vision board stuff, so I thought of making my own vision board. Some of these pictures are from my planner. Watch my planner video if you haven't seen it. All of these are available in my planner, so basically I just cut it and use this flamingo pegs to hold this off. They're really cute. I'm gonna link it all down below. Whatever things I'm gonna find, I'm gonna link it down below so you can just actually buy from it. This is actually the outfit handle. So usually I use it for making some outfits. So only the outfits that I am planning to shoot video or take Insta pictures, I hang it over here. Rest of the time this is empty because most of the time I tend to put in some clothes just like that once I come back home, and it just becomes a huge mess and it becomes a pile, so I hate it. This is again a beautiful bird hook, again perfect for hanging in my stuff. Got this cute thing written over here: life is too short to wear boring clothes. So I went in with a sticker like this. So I just stuck this beautiful sticker on it, so each word by word I stick it and it actually looks like a dress. You can actually watch my wardrobe architecture video. I'm gonna link it down below. You can. I hung this hook on the door, so this has like 5 hooks. It's made of metal. Now this is perfect for holding in my stuff. Again, as I told you, I'm really a scarf person and a cap person, so I hang all of this. So this thing will always have a black denim and a blue denim, so anytime I have to get ready, I have to go somewhere nearby, I just grab my clothing and I wear it. I have some unique and most amazing cap collection as well, so if you're interested to see my cap collection video, do not forget to leave it on the comments. Now coming to this part, this is a very beautiful little mirror. I really love the hexagonal shape of it. This is not the original wall color that I actually planned for. This room was built almost like 10 to 12 years ago, and the bottom part of the house was built around 30 years ago. The house was built. I went in for purple, and unfortunately the paint of messed it up. This is not the purple that I went in for. I actually wanted a dark purple. Wish it could have been pure white so that it will be great even for making videos. It also gives an ample of light in my room, which is a mistake badly learned. So as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to completely change this color into complete white. Mirror, I got it from Home Center, and this was just in discount for about 300 rupees, almost like 60% sale, and I love this so much. This is a place where I actually planning of my work and morning routine. I have a couple of routines, so that is here. Mat where I do some exercise and meditation when I'm sitting outside of the terrace. Now here comes my very favorite spot. This is my meditation area. Yes, I do meditation every morning. I picked this from Amazon. I didn't know Amazon has got this amazing kind of sofas out there. She bought this for 6,000 rupees in discount. Original price of this was about 13,999 rupees, and I got it just for 6,000 rupees. The best part about the sofa is I can actually crisscross my leg, and that is exactly what I want when I'm doing meditation. Every morning I get up at 4 o'clock. I'm not kidding. I get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and my meditation time is like 4:30 to 5. I make sure I sit here and do meditation for half an hour straight. I'll do all about this in detail on my second channel, which is my AdityIyer lifestyle. So do not forget to check that channel out, because I'll tell you a lot of things about why I do this and why I get up early morning and everything. I'll just give a detailed explanation of it. It says relax, calm down, smile and be happy. Cushion that I got from Miniso. I really love the color combination of the Miniso, the grey and the beautiful blush pink color. This is a very huge lamp. This is actually a pink lamp that comes like that. Now this thing again I got it from Home Center. This was on sale for just about 700 rupees. This mat is again from Miniso. I actually wanted to make that as like a walk-in wardrobe place. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can make it. There is a cupboard and there's also a band stand out there, and also there's a swing I really want to make it as a walk-in wardrobe, but outside is actually facing towards the street, so a lot of mud and dust is coming every day. So I have to like sweep it almost every day, which is like totally impossible for me to do. The space is really small because I really want to make that room as a walk-in wardrobe and put this wardrobe up there and create a workspace over here. Dust problem is there. I don't know what to do about it. If you have any idea, then let me know. One that is inside is actually my washroom, and that's a cute shower curtain. It's a very cute animal printed shower curtain. This is my room tour, you guys. Which corner of the room that you love the most? Let me know on the comments below. Love to know your thoughts. I really love the way my room looks now. Finally, I have a very cozy place to sleep in. I hope you really like my room, and if yes, then do not forget to share this video with all the girlfriends and tune into my channel every Tuesday and Friday at 4 p.m. to find me with a brand new video. A lot of you girls have been asking me, yes, you can actually buy some of my clothing from my Instagram as well. The ones that are not used, the ones that are actually brand new. You can just follow me on my Instagram in case if you're interested in shopping my wardrobe. If you want to constantly stay in touch with me apart from YouTube, follow me on my Instagram at AdityIyer. My Instagram username is given here, just follow me there. Do not forget to hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to my channel so you can watch all my videos directly on your inbox with just one click, and it's absolutely free. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free so that you can get all my videos directly onto the phone. Thank you so much for staying in on. Bye.